I decided to choose this program because I can see that in my family, my parents have no ability to support me for my study at university.
As we cannot offer to all our sponsored children to come and study in Phnom Penh because the studies are quite expensive, we go through a long process of selection.
We need to pass the exam prepared by Ong Phong Limikung, and the exam, I can say it is a difficult test that needs students try hard to get scholarship.
After exam, we have to come to here for interview, and the staff of Ong Phong Limikung went to our home to interview our parents also.
I really like the center because they provide me a lot of things. First, I can get knowledge from the language like English and French. And one more thing, when I have free time, the center provide me a short course like UN training or philosophy, and also the money management, how to manage your money or projects.
Ici, nous travaillons tout ce qui est développement intérieur, recherche sur soi-même, sur ce que je veux devenir, tout ce qui est ouverture au monde, comprendre le monde dans lequel je vis.
As I told you, most of our students are coming from the province, so when they arrive there, they have never been in Phnom Penh, never seen such a big city, and they are a little bit lost. Here is also a little bit of their home.
I feel like we are the same family. When we face difficulty in education, in studies and other works, we can ask help from our friends, and also we can ask help from Ong Phong Limikung, from the staff.
The student here just like the flower in the garden, because they cut us to have a good price. Just like when we go and find a job, we will get a good job.